Okay, so we are going to try something. We've been seeing all over social media how people are making face masks with just a scarf. And so Phoenix and I thought we would give it a try, right?
Right.
Okay, so what all do we need?
2 rubber bands.
Yep.
And a scarf.
Okay, so we've got our supplies. Let's see how this works. So you fold it in half. And then fold it again. Okay, so put your rubber band on the end. And you've seen this. There's no right way or wrong way to do it. And then you fold it over like this. And what I've seen people do is they tuck this in here, which I think is great, because that way it gives you more of a seal. I've seen other people who leave it untucked. So what I mean tuck is you stick it in there into the pouch. I've seen other people not do that, and I think this works better. Okay? So, how's it working, Phoenix? You got it? All right, well, let's give it a shot. So bring the rubber bands on the outside. Let me help you. Okay. So let me see.
I don't got it.
It's okay. So we need to bring it in a little bit more, and this is what I was talking about, tucking it. Okay, now hold it like this and put it around your ears. Oh.
Sorry.
Not as easy as it looks. Okay, well, it fell off. How's yours? You can't even see.
Yes, I can.
Well, I think we need bigger rubber bands.